Coaching sessions are an important part of our programming. I like to think of it as the heartbeat. It's where the line of trust and communication expands. Identifying the stages of behavior change creates the avenue for real change to happen. Important lifestyle changes that improve day-to-day challenges and become the catalyst for short and long-term achievement. At Premise Health, we understand that change is difficult and the change process is not linear. We meet members where they're at and work together to build programming for lasting behavior change. Utilizing modern coaching techniques, we create a collaborative environment by supporting self-efficacy and intrinsic motivations to allow members to take ownership of their goals. We break down traditional roles of expert and patient and work together to accomplish successful behavior change. Taking extra care to understand the changing landscape of work, coaching can meet the needs of members operating remotely to reach the entire employee base, utilizing methodology that expands far beyond fitness into the realm of lifestyle medicine. Coaching outcomes are as varied as our members. Some are interested in getting control over their blood pressure, reducing aches and pains, regaining flexibility, or even something as simple as getting a better night's sleep. We understand that not everyone is an athlete. Sometimes the most important objective is taking charge of everyday life. Our coaches are dedicated and provide consistent check-ins and reassessments to touch base and stay a part of the behavior change journey. Following the initial consult, our members are equipped to handle future hurdles and have a trusting relationship with their coach to utilize moving forward.